Hello, everyone, and welcome to this discussion on AI. First of all, a warm festive season's greetings. So many festivals that are going on, and I wish everyone a great festival and a great year end that is coming on very soon. 2023 is almost 10 months over, right? And what have we learned so far? We have seen AI really take the world by storm. We have seen rise of new apps, new ecosystems, ChatGPT, Bard, and so many things. Today, under the theme of Halloween, we are going to tell you about some spooky yet very useful AI updates. So, shall we get started? Well, let's go ahead and get started and start learning about the AI updates. Before that, let's welcome everyone that has joined this live stream on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Instagram. Hi, I'm Siddesh Joglekar and I'm CEO Programming Hub, and I'm here to talk about the latest and best in AI. I'm going to give you six things in 6 minutes each so that we don't go beyond 35-40 minutes. I don't want to take much of your time. So let's get started right here, right now. Update number one. Can monsters have their quarterly review? Well, here's what I typed as a prompt inside ChatGPT. And ChatGPT can now generate images. Well, if you have a premium subscription of ChatGPT, the DALI 3 has been started by ChatGPT. And you know what image they give? Here you go. Wow. Is this wonderful or not? It has captured all the specific details. It has captured things like scare tactics. Can you see this? Scare tactics. It has captured jump scares, creepy laughter, spooky shadows. All these specific details without any spelling mistakes is what they have captured over here. It is able to remember context. It is able to understand the nuance in terms of meaning, in terms of what it wants to do. And this is the image that it created. Look at this. There is a mummy, there's a Frankenstein, there's Adam's family, there's a vampire, Dracula, all of them are here. Yeah. And that is exactly what ChatGPT can do now. ChatGPT couldn't do this earlier, right? Well, now you can create these kind of images from ChatGPT, but this is available right now in the premium subscription. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. DALI 3 inside ChatGPT. The unique feature over here is to blend, to mix unrelated concepts into coherent imagery. Yeah, it can take graphs, it can take monsters, blend them together, and make a coherent image that we just saw right now. It can create novel, creative visuals. I have seen ChatGPT and DALI create brilliant visuals exactly the way Midjourney does. In fact, I would say DALI 3 is a major upgrade compared to DALI 2. Let's do one thing. Let's quickly generate an image of a futuristic cityscape using DALI 3. So here you go. You take this image, take this prompt, and let's take it over here. DALI 3 is available in this manner for all of you. Let's open ChatGPT and put this prompt over there. Here you go. Look at the way in which ChatGPT understands that it is about DALI 3, and it is now creating the image, and very soon it will give us the interesting images that we want. Again, ChatGPT does not just create images, it also gives you the logic, it also gives you the prompt, it also gives you the understanding of why this image was created. And that is where I feel DALI 3 can score over other competitors like Midjourney or any other image creation software. So let's see how the images have been created. Here you go. Some very, very high quality images. Yeah, look at this. First image is an evening image, yeah, with towering skyscrapers, neon lights, various colors. And then there's a dawn image. Can you see this? There's a dawn image as well. Very futuristic, very nice, very thoughtful, and obviously very cool. Let's move on to the second thing that has come in. I'm very excited with this first thing itself, and then the second thing will excite you even more because this is about Codex. Yeah, Codex is what is powering GitHub's Copilot. Has this happened to you that you are sometimes scared because of coding? Sometimes you are scared to learn a new language, to learn a new feature, and all of that. Well, with AI, help is very much nearby. You can ask Codex within OpenAI interface to quickly generate code at the click of a button. It can help you with code writing, it can help you with debugging, it can help you with optimization. It can generate code from natural language descriptions. What are the benefits? Well, a normal coder can certainly double their productivity within no time if they are using AI. It will also lower the entry barrier for us non-programmers. Some of us might be non-programmers, some of us might have done programming in the past. Well, you can literally get started. I used to do programming back in 2015 and I have not done much of programming in the last 3 4 years, but now I can get started. You want to know how? Let's see how. I am now going to ChatGPT and asking it new prompt, give me a Python code to create a simple game of snake. Yeah. Now let's see what it gives. It understands my name. It understands what I am asking for. Here you go. Pygame library. That's it. Wow. Pygame library has snake itself. And here you go. It can generate the Pygame library. It can show you how snake settings are. And the code is ready in literally 15 seconds. Isn't it wonderful? Well, yes, it is certainly. Here you go. The full code is coming to you right here in front of your eyes. And you know how ChatGPT remembered my name? You go over here and go to custom instructions. You can add whatever you want over here for better responses. You can put in how does ChatGPT respond and all of that. This is just a bonus tip for all of you. It will help you make ChatGPT respond in the way you want. For example, some of you might be writing a lot of professional emails. Some of you might be doing a lot of work for your clients. Well, you can ask ChatGPT to write in the tone, in the manner, in the rhythm, in the nuance of writing exactly the way you want. Here you go. It has given the code and then it is also telling you the logic of the code. Yeah. And yes, it is also giving me a prompt. Don't let the digital snake bite you. Absolutely, ChatGPT. I won't let that digital snake bite me. Let us now go to the third latest update from OpenAI. Well, this one is an interesting, unique thing. Community driven AI research. Let me show you these projects. These projects are basically collaboration between the academia and industry. These are open source projects fostering innovation. Hugging Face. Let me show you what Hugging Face is. Look at this. AI community building the future. It is accelerating your ML. You can create your own machine learning language. You can create a lot of different models itself. You can create a comic factory, you can create multiple things. Let me show you one space over here. AI Comic Factory. Look at this. It is generating a lot of different comics, and you can give it the story. American grid one, story of an astronaut marrying a baker. Let us see. Here you go. Comic Factory is now generating a new story, and this is being created by the community and is completely open source, mind you. While we wait for this, here you go. Multiple stories are getting created as we speak. There are other projects as well. TensorFlow, PyTorch, which are open source machine learning frameworks. The encouragement for participation is to contribute to open source projects and encouraging community discussions and forums. I can see thousands, I can see hundreds of thousands of people coming over here, contributing to community discussions and forums. In fact, I would see as much activity over here as the Wikipedia of early days itself, which is wonderful. Look at this. An astronaut marrying a baker. Here you go. It has given a comedy view to it. It has given a full-fledged comic view to this. And yeah, I will let me copy this image and put it in our chat box. Yes. Yes. So how to download ChatGPT? You can go. There's one question on the chat box. How to download ChatGPT? Well, you can go to App Store on. You can go to Play Store on Android. You can search for ChatGPT, and there is an app over there available for in downloading it very easily. Let us now go ahead. Now I'm going to show you something that is extended, that has made ChatGPT even more powerful. You know what that is? That is the ability to browse with a search engine, in this case Bing. Now, with ChatGPT knowing what is happening in the world right now, it has become a much more powerful, much more useful companion for all of us. For example, tomorrow in the Cricket World Cup, there's a match going on, Australia versus New Zealand. So I am asking ChatGPT now to go and tell me what is the analysis. Who do you think will be the three best, most impactful players? And it can give fantastic results. Look at this now. And I am plugging in browse with Bing. And here we go. Tomorrow there's a Cricket World Cup game. That's what I have put in over here. Now see, it has started browsing with Bing. And this is an interesting feature in itself. Yes. In the meanwhile, the Hugging Face comic has really done a wild job. And now I'll share this comic with all of us. Yes, let me share this comic with all of us. over here in the chat box in the meanwhile. Yes, absolutely. We can create good social media content using ChatGPT, and that's what we are learning right now. Great question there. Wonderful. Let us now look at the answer. It is still browsing. It can also give answers to subjective questions. For example, what is your view on the latest prices of gold? Now, these are subjective questions, right? Will they go up in the next 2 weeks? Let us see what happens. Here you go. Another question. Right. It is browsing. Yes, but this is a new thing that has come in. Another thing is, ChatGPT now also helps me with my general knowledge. It can help me become a better father because I can answer all my 80-year-old's questions. Any one of you have kids at your home? Well, now you can be their superhero because literally any and every question in school or outside can be now answered using ChatGPT very easily. Look at this. They are able to answer about the prices of gold as well. What are the factors, bearish factors, bullish factors? All of this is coming through very easily. Look at this. Economic data, how's the economic data, all of this. It is the most interesting and the most impressive thing over here is that it is able to analyze different things and is giving a clear and a studied output the way an expert can. So ChatGPT can be an expert for so many different things. It is quite spooky and scary yet super exciting, as I would say, at an overall level. Here you go. Let me just paste these answers over here as well. Yes. Yes. Here you go. Let me put in this. Kids have challenging questions. Absolutely. This was the answer that we got. Wow. Let's now go ahead and learn some more new stuff. Now, ChatGPT can be a great travel guide. A lot of you might be traveling all over the world in these holiday seasons, right? Let me tell you how ChatGPT literally solved all my problems for the weekend travel, both short term as well as long term. And this is how ChatGPT is going to help you plan your life very easily. Let me show you how. My family is an adventure loving family. Design a 4-day travel adventure for a family of 4 and with a day wise plan. Now let's see. Yes, now it is designing a plan for me. Look at this. Let me stop. Design this for Bali. Look at this, Bali. Now it is designing the plan. Can you see the details? It is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. So well written. Right? Come in, arrive, settle in. It is now telling you to go to Uluwatu temple visit. Okay. You can also add a lot of different things. If you are budget conscious, you can ask ChatGPT to also give ways to save money. If you are someone who wants only seafood, you can tell ChatGPT that. It can recommend you right restaurants. If you are someone who wants to have a leisurely travel, peace of mind, meditation, all of that can be handled. If you are someone who loves to go to spa and get yourself rejuvenated, that also can be done. ChatGPT is slowly becoming an ideal travel planner, amazing travel planner. And I would definitely ask you to check this out very, very easily. One more thing that I can show you is Bard, in this case, can also go one step further and give you hotel options too. I can show that to you as well. But before that, let's look at what ChatGPT has given us. First, unveiling Bali, Kanakayak fire dance. Then it is telling me to go on a water adventure. Wow, I'm excited. Then it is going telling me on day 3 to go island hopping. Wow, that's it. This looks exciting as well. And finally, on day 4, it is telling me to go on a jungle exploration trip. Very, very interesting. Yeah. So here you go. ChatGPT might be your next travel planner. It can help you research the latest trends. And by the way, ChatGPT can also help you save money. Yeah, it is now asking, I'm asking it to save money. Look at this. It's a budget friendly destination. Insightful tips. Accommodation. You can find out accommodation lodging instead of conventional hotels. Bamboo houses, local homestays. Stay in a central location. Look at this. Transportation. You can rent a scooter. Wow. That's an interesting one. Haggle. Bargaining is common in Bali. Oh my god. Food. It is telling you about local eateries. Interesting. It's telling me about street food as well. Wow. And then it is giving me activities. The reason I'm showing you all these things is because you need to talk to ChatGPT. You need to converse with ChatGPT. You need to interact with ChatGPT and spend time with it. That is when you are going to get the best output of AI. Look at this: shopping, activities, food, bargaining, local markets. Look at this. Yeah. And that is what we should do. Yeah. Perfect. Travel insurance, pre book tours, all of these are great ways to save cost. Let us move on. Now, I'm going to show you something that is literally going to blow your mind. ChatGPT is going visual. Someone asked me earlier about the mobile app as well, right? Now, ChatGPT can go visual as well. Let me show you how. I'm opening the mobile app, the Android app of ChatGPT, and I'm showing you one magic. So taking the photograph of my office desk, of my desk that I'm using right now. Here you go. Yes. Now I am uploading images. Look at this. How can I make my desk better, ChatGPT? Now I've given it the prompt. How can I make my desk better? Now let's see what answer it gives over here. Here you go. Look at this. The answer has now gotten synced over here. This is my desk. This is my mobile. And let's see what the answer it gives. Look at this. Organized desk is is perfect. Ergonomic furniture. It is telling me to invest in an ergonomic chair and desk. It is telling me to consider a standing desk. Wow, this is great. Technology upgrades, multiple monitors, multitasking, multiple projects, platforms, all of that. Organizational tools, desk calendars, cable management, lighting, greenery, personalization, family artwork, digital organization, all of this. Very, very nice. Wow, is this wonderful or what? Great. Wonderful. Is this wonderful or not? Yes. Now ChatGPT has really gone visual and it can help you do things that are magnificent. It can help you do things that are mind blowing. You should try this, the visual aspect of ChatGPT for sure. Yes, that is my 30 minutes. Now, what I'm going to do is something that I have not done before. I'm going to take 5 minutes of question answers from the chat box and then I'm going to answer them. Absolutely. Yes. Thank you so much. Are there any questions over here? Yes. Kids have challenging questions. Yes. Well, absolutely authentic facts. I would say for kids, you should ask questions and answer them in your own language as well. For example, if you are someone who is speaking Arabic, you can ask ChatGPT for an Arabic poem, for an Arabic lullaby. Yes, it can make it very, very easily. Then there is one more question: how to download ChatGPT on Android and on PC? On PC, you don't need to download ChatGPT. You can just browse the internet and go to chat.openai.com. On Android, you can download its app and sign in. Yes. Are there any more questions? Can I create content for my social media page? Absolutely. You can create content for your special social media page very easily using ChatGPT. The way to do it is you can ask for images from DALI, you can ask for prompts or text or posts from ChatGPT. And these can be uploaded on LinkedIn, this can be uploaded on Facebook, this can be uploaded on Instagram, wherever you want, on X. Absolutely. The sky is the limit. You can also download on TikTok, by the way. Wonderful. If there are no more questions, then let's call it a day. Yes, yes, Kuram. Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for joining the session right now. Yes, absolutely. It is possible to earn as an online or freelancing work. You should create an account on multiple websites like Fiverr, like freelance.com. Let me put it on the chat as well. Fiverr.com, freelance.com. Yeah. Take two of these websites, and there you can upload whatever your skill is. And while using that skill, you can easily take help of ChatGPT and Bard and Mid Journey and DALI 3, whatever things, and get your work done very, very fast. This can become a new source of income, secondary source of income for a lot of people. Remember, people are not going to get replaced with AI. Those people who have knowledge of AI are going to replace those people who don't have knowledge of AI. You should use AI to make your life faster, make your life easier, make your life stress free. And that is my final advice as I call the day off. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz. Have a great evening. Namaskar. Bye bye.